Hi everyone, welcome to DVS Math. Triangles exercise 2.5. So in previous session we discussed question number 13 and 14. Now we are moving on to the last two questions, that is 15 and 16. Okay, so now it is question number 15. In an equilateral triangle, please, in these type of question you have to understand the question, then you start solving it. Okay, in an equilateral triangle or in an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on side BC, D is a point on side BC such that BD is equal to 1 by 3 of BC. Prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square, and this is also very important related to the exam. So now let's start solving it. So we have one equilateral triangle ABC. As you all know, equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. So equilateral triangle ABC, and here they have given that D is a point on BC, D is a point on BC. So here we took one point, that is D, and such that here they have given one, that is BD is equal to 1 by 3 of BC, 1/3 of BC. That means if you take 1/3 of BC, you will get BD. To prove, that is 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. So let's move on to the proof. So all sides of an equilateral triangles is equal. Okay, that means AB equals BC equals AC. Here also we are taking it as X, because when you are solving it makes simple. So that is AB equals BC equals AC equals X. So next step, here BD is equal to 1 by 3 of BC. BD equals 1 by 3 of BC. So BD equals X by 3. So because BC is X, right? So here if we consider whole BC, it is X. So BD equals X by 3. Question we have observed here, we have one triangle A, B, C. All sides are equal because it is equilateral triangle. Here we have one point on BC. So join that. Again we took one construction, that is another point, that is AE is perpendicular to BC. AE is perpendicular to BC. And now after taking perpendicular, the whole equilateral triangle, we are taking two triangles like this. Okay, one is AEB and another one is AEC, and making them as congruent by RHS. So why to make them congruent? Because here we have to write it as BE equals CC, or you can directly write, because if anything is, we have taken perpendicular to the base and that base is divided into two equal parts. Directly by stating that statement also you can make it as equal. So BE equals EC by CPCT. So here you can observe BE and EC, we can take it as half BC, right? Half of BC. So here half of BC means you can write it as X by 2. X by 2. So it is, here you can observe here, first we got, that is BD, it is X by 3, BE it is X by 2. One is X by 3 and the one is X by 2. So now let's go for proof. Next proof, that is BE is equal to X by 2. So BE means, here if you consider whole this BE, observe the question, BE means you can take it as BD plus DE. BD plus DE is equal to X by 2. What is BD? X by 3 plus DE as it is X by 2. Now take X by 3 to the RHS. It is X minus 3. X by 2 minus X by 3. Here you have to take the LCM. LCM, what happens to the LCM? It is 2 and 3. LCM is 6. 6 means 3x minus 2x. Directly you will get D is equal to X by 6. So here what is our proof? That is AB and AD, right? So for that, here we have considering the triangle, smaller triangle, that is AED. AED triangle, we are taking AED triangle, that is AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square. Now let us substitute. So AD square, it is 3x square by 4. 3x square by 4 now. So 4 plus what is DE? X by 6 whole square, what we got here. Now by simplifying 4 and 36, here x by 6 whole square means x square by 36. So 4 and 36 LCM is 36, right? So here what happens? 4 1s are 4, here 9s are 9 3s are, it is 27x square. 36 cancel, you will get x square. So 27x square plus x square, you got 28x square by 36. So if you simplify those two, 28 and 36 from 4 only. 4 sevens are 4 9s are 7 by 9 x square. So now if you cross multiply, you got 9AD square is equal to 7x square. What is x? We have taken it as AB. So now 9AD square is equal to 7AB square, which is our proof. So here you have to observe the figure and simple conversion. Here if we have converted into x by 2, here x by 3, x by 6. Just observe the question, watch the video 2 or 3 times. It will be very simple. Here, just by simplifying that and substituting in the given triangle using Pythagoras theorem, you will get 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. So now we are moving on to the last question, that is proof question, and we have another 17 question which is very MCQ. It is very simple. You can try by yourself, that is by taking Pythagoras theorem, and if it is satisfying Pythagoras theorem, it is a 90 degree. Okay, so now let's moving on to the last, means proving question. It is question number 16. In an equilateral triangle or in an equilateral triangle, prove that 3 times the square of one side, 3 times the square of one side is equal to 4 times the square of one of its altitude. It is very simple. In an equilateral triangle, prove that 3 times the square of one side is equal to 4 times the square of one of its altitude. So let us write the given. Here let us take equilateral triangle ABC, which side all sides are A, and let us take altitude, means you know that which is perpendicular to the base. Here AD is an altitude, so AD is one of its altitude. So to prove, here they have given in the statement, right? So let us write numerically. So 3 times of square of one side is equal to 4 times of square of its altitude, that is 3A square is equal to 4AD square. Or you can take it as 3 times of AB or BC or AC you can take. So generally you can take it as A. So 3A square is equal to 4AD square. So let's move on to the proof. First here observe these. First we have to make these two triangles are congruent, because to find the bases are equal. As I told you, here you can use RHS or directly you can write the statement. If you draw perpendicular, the base is equal to equal parts also. So first, but generally as we are proving this, you can take this RHS. It means you take separately ADB and ADC. AB and AC are equal as equilateral triangle. AD common. Here both the angles are 90 degree, ADB and ADC 90 degree as it is perpendicular. So these two triangles are congruent by RHS. So if it is congruent, definitely BD and DC are equal by CPCT. BD and or CPCT. That means BD and DC is half of BC. If we consider half of BC, it is A by 2. A by 2. BC is nothing but here whole BC it is A. So consider it as A by 2. Then for any one of the triangle, here it is very simple. Either you take ADB or ADC. Either you take ADB or ADC. So here I took ADB. So you can take it as ADC also. Using Pythagoras theorem, apply AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. So here definitely AB is an hypotenuse, right? So here A square is equal to AD square plus BD means half of A, right? So A by 2 whole square. So A square is as it is. A by 2 whole square means A square by 4. So if we take to the LHS, it is minus A square by 4. So if we take LCM, it is 4. So 4A square minus A square, you got 3A square by 4, it is AD square. So if we cross multiply, 3A square is equal to 4AD square. This is very simple question. First you take a triangle A, B and C. As all sides are equal, that is A, all sides are equal. Now we are taking altitude, that is AD. Okay, first make these two triangles are congruent by RHS. Then make it as BD equals DC. If it is equal, so it will be half of. So this becomes A by 2, this becomes A by 2. Take any one triangle, either ADB or ADC, apply Pythagoras theorem. So one will be A, another one will be A by 2. Squaring those and shifting to the LHS, taking LCM, simplifying and again cross multiplication, you will get the proof. 3A square is equal to 4AD square. So this is about question number 16 in your last exercise, that is 2.5. For more exercise questions, subscribe my channel. Keep watching. Thank you.